In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page on your Wix website. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by opening your site in either Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Both interfaces work for this process. Once your site loads, take a moment to look at the left-hand toolbar where you manage pages and content. That panel is where you'll add your new FAQ page. Now, let's create the page. Click the plus icon labeled Add, choose Page, and you'll see two choices: create from a template or create from blank. A template is a great option if you want a ready-made layout with preset sections you can edit quickly. It can help you jump right in with a clean structure. If you prefer full control and a minimal starting point, choose blank. Either way, give your page a clear name like FAQ or frequently asked questions so it's easy to find later. If you chose a template, you'll likely see example text and headings. Simply select those text areas and replace the placeholders with your own questions and answers. If you chose a blank page, you'll add text elements manually. Click Add again, choose text, and place a large heading at the top for your page title. Below that, add standard text boxes for your questions and answers. A helpful structure is to make each question stand out, followed by a short, clear answer. Keep questions concise, use straightforward language, and avoid jargon when possible. For answers, aim for clarity over length. People come to FAQ for quick solutions. Keep your font styles consistent across the page. Use a larger size or heavier weight for questions and a comfortable paragraph size for answers. Add a bit of spacing between each Q&A pair so the content doesn't feel crowded. As you add text, align your content neatly with consistent margins and keep the line length easy to read. Group related questions together so visitors can scan quickly. If you cover multiple topics, consider using short, descriptive subheadings to guide readers within the page. Double check spelling and punctuation and make sure the most common or critical questions appear near the top. When your text looks good, skim through the entire page from top to bottom to confirm the flow makes sense and nothing feels repetitive. That's it. You've created a clean, helpful FAQ page using Wix Editor or Wix Studio. With your questions and answers clearly laid out, your visitors will find what they need faster and your support inbox will thank you.